one more chance, please, I swear.
Peggy, you're beginning to sound like a badly scratched CD, and I am tired of listening to the same track.
So you're just going to give up on this? On us?
Peggy, I made myself clear in there. Or in how many languages do I have to say it for you to understand?
You can't just give up on this. Remember all the good memories we shared, all the promises we made. Together forever.
Peggy.
Remember?
Peggy.
Deep down inside, I know you still have feelings for me. Okay. If you don't love me, then look me in the eye and say it. I know it can't be true.
Peggy, I don't love you anymore. So stop with the hypocrisy and move on. Close enough.
Victor, wait! Good afternoon. Welcome to Halo a la carte.
Are you going to give us the menu or you're just going to stand there moping at us?
Sorry.
When you're done moping at my man, you can at least get yourself useful by getting me rice and chicken. Baby, what would you like to have?
I'll just have the same thing you're having.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Anything to drink?
A Fanta for me and a stout for him.
He doesn't like stout. Ma, the money is not complete.
What do you mean?
It's short by 10,000 naira.
Oh, that. There was a deduction from all junior staff's salary because of the damaged oven in the kitchen.
But Ma, I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, you and like 10 other people, yet they paid.
Ma, I wasn't in the kitchen the day it happened, and I didn't even know how it happened or when it happened.
The order came from the boss, and orders are orders, right? Who's the Daniela? Please come.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I hope you have not forgotten about your rent.
No, sir, I haven't forgotten. Please, I'll pay it soon, sir.
Pay it soon. Make it quick. You have 5 weeks past your due date now. Make sure you pay the money in time.
Okay, sir.
That's all.
Babe, wake up. Wake up. Good morning.
What? Already?
So you've been out so cold that you've even lost track of time. Were you out drinking?
I was just really tired, Jerry.
Oh, I see. So did you get it?
Yeah.
This isn't what we agreed.
Babe, I'm so sorry. They deducted money from everyone's salary.
But I told you how important this business was to me. I told you that getting a major supply deal that would mean a big break for us. And you're giving me this. Sometimes I wonder why you tell me you support my dreams and when it's time to prove it with actions, you just leave me out there to dry.
Babe. Babe, you know I support you 101%. I do my best to support you in every way that I can. You know I would have given you the complete money. I wanted to, I swear. But the restaurant deducted money from everyone's salary because of someone else's damage.
Someone else's damage. Someone else's damage and you didn't protest.
I did. But they insisted. What's a girl supposed to do now?
Quit! Yes. Quit, Peggy. They don't pay you well. They overwork you. And on top of that, they're now deducting for your salary for an offense you did not commit. Come on, Peg. Just leave that damn place.
And go to where?
Anywhere. I don't know. Anywhere. You've been working there for the past 3 years. You've worked so hard, diligently for the past 3 years. Look around you, there's no improvement whatsoever. It's beginning to look to me like stagnancy, like acute stagnancy.
Babe, you've still not told me where you want me to move to. For goodness sake, it's a jungle out there.
No, look around you. Look! No, look! It is a jungle everywhere. But we find a way to survive. All you keep telling me is excuses, excuses, excuses. And then sometimes I begin to wonder how you are going to find a river when you want to continue to swim in shallow pools. Jesus Christ! Your lack of ambition sickens me.
You are the man in this relationship, remember? The last time I checked, the dynamics of a relationship call for both partners to pull in their weight as well.
Wow. So I am not pulling my weight. No. Say it twice so I know you mean it. I am not pulling my weight.
Babe.
No, you can say that to me. All because I am struggling right now.
Babe, that's not what I meant. What I meant to say was that...
I know exactly what you said. And I know exactly what you meant. In your words, that I am not pulling my weight. Wow. Round of applause. I am being broke shamed by my own girlfriend.
Babe, no, that's not what I meant. Please. That's not what I meant.
Hey. I am not pulling my weight. Wow. They hold me, Victor.
Babe. Babe. I'm sorry. I know how frustrating this is for you.
Frustrating? Frustrating, you say? Huh? I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at where you live. Look at how you live. You're not tired of coming back to this dump at the end of the day?
Of course I am. But babe, it will all be over soon.
Soon? Soon? How soon is soon? You've been telling me this for the past 3 years. It is beginning to sound like promises of a politician.
I know, babe. But I promise, this will all be over soon. We'll both get well-paying jobs and all of this will end. Eh? Babe. I love you.
I love you too. I'm sorry I sounded like that.
Okay.
Good gracious God. Baby, this food is the truth.
I told you I preach the gospel of bomb food.
I know you're good, okay? But there's no need for you to toot your horn. All right? Everybody knows you're Nigeria's answer to Gordon Ramsay. Yes.
Oh God. But just imagine when I own my own restaurant.
Puka. Like Mama Put. Is that what you mean?
On.
What?
Don't you believe in your woman anymore?
Of course I believe in you. That's why I'm supporting you now. You open your very nice Mama Put. I won't be helping you with calling customers. Like Como, there's food, there's chicken.
Mama Put, Abi. Mama Put. Okay. Problem.
How about now? Why?
Go and find a booker that will be serving you this kind of food. Give your hand.
How about my massage?
You'll have to convince me.
Okay. So, what can I do to convince you? Should I take my shirt off? Okay. Should I take your shirt off?
Babe.
What? Or do we finish this food and I just...
I'll think about it.
I'll just have goat meat and snails.
Sir, we don't have snail available.
But it says here in your menu that you sell snails.
That's what I'm telling you. It's not available now.
If you can't keep to your menu, why bother having them? Hello?
What did you say, sir?
Are you here to serve me or to move aimlessly?
Sorry, sir.
Just get me white rice and curry stew.
Okay, sir.
That will be all. And please make it snappy. Don't be sluggish.
Now, make come. Baby girl! Hey! Last night must have been epic!
Excuse me?
What is it? Don't come and be pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. See, you see this after love making glow, I only used to see it in movies. But, baby girl, I'm going to say that you are looking like a traffic light. Hey!
No words for you, Ekama. No words.
Just me, what happened? See, I heard you guys giggling in your room yesterday.
Hey, I'm a boy. You know go face the work we go pay you.
You know now, like they say, all work and no J.
Keeps Ekama out of unnecessary drama.
And you know that one.
Peggy, customer.
I'm coming. Hey, let me actually go and do the work.
Wait, see. You help me ask Victor. Maybe he has a brother or a cousin. You know now, so you hook me up because Victor might not go
I beg.
Baby girl. Peggy.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to a la carte. Menu?
Is this normal?
Sir?
Having your customers wait like they're going to be attended to by the president.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. So sorry about that. So sorry. Menu?
You have African dishes?
Yes, sir. We have a wide variety of options.
I'll have some plantain and egg sauce.
Okay, plantain and egg sauce. Anything to drink, sir?
The glass of Chapman is fine, and
Okay, sir.
and tell them please a shot of brandy, not a drop more.
Okay, sir. Would you like any starters before your meal?
Hello? Yeah, Maka, how are you? No, I'm about to have lunch at a restaurant someone recommended to me. No, of course. You know I don't do restaurant hunting like the rest of you. No. By tomorrow, I don't know.
Victor.
Ivy?
Victor!
Wow!
Oh my goodness, I was so sure it's you.
I mean, you look different from the last time I saw you.
Come on, thank you. It's called glowing up. Thank you.
I mean, you can say that again. You look so good. I mean,
Thank you.
it's nice to see you.
Same here, same here. So what brings you around here?
Well, actually, I came for a supply bid and, you know, I just got here and they told me they closed down 2 weeks ago.
Oh, those guys?
Yeah.
But they put up an announcement on their website. Didn't you see it?
Well, unfortunately, I didn't check.
Hey, yeah, so sorry about that. Maybe
No,
when something comes up next time.
It's fine. I mean, you just made my day by, you know, wow.
So good
I
to
should
see
get your
you.
number. Like,
Oh, that's fine.
we have a lot of catching up to do.
Sure, we do.
Ivy,
Victor, look at you.
you didn't even age a bit.
Oh, come on. What about you? Look at you. Here we go.
Okay, I'll save it and I'll call you later.
Oh,
today.
that's fine. Call me. We sure have a lot of catching up to do.
Oh, yes.
Victor.
Hey, baby.
Hey, you.
Come here.
What's up?
I'm all right. Looking so fine.
Good job.
So I came to check on you, and I was thinking, why don't we go to the movies?
Sounds like a plan.
Yes, it is.
But just give me a minute. Let me go sign up for today.
Okay, don't keep me waiting too
I
long.
won't.
I'm waiting. Okay, walk it, girl.
Babe, where are you walking to now?
Where won't I walk to? Please leave me alone.
Babe, just relax. Let's figure something out.
Figure what out?
Oh my God. Okay, babe, where are you going to now? Please, now, just wait.
Were you not the one that I told that I was tired of walking? We've walked from the cinema up until this point. Do you want us to walk from the island to the mainland?
Babe.
No, tell me, you don't have 2,000 naira to pay for a cab? When you know very well that I've spent all the money that I had buying movie tickets and paying for snacks?
People, you know fully well that I don't have that type of money.
I know fully well that you don't have that kind of money. You can't afford it.
Babe, please, let's just walk a bit and find a
should
bus
walk
or
a-
a keke,
You better
please.
walk on your own. I wonder how you can afford
Babe!
me.
Babe, please now. Oh, God.
Hey.
Ivy,
Yeah. I didn't know you enjoy taking evening walks.
well, I went to the cinema and I don't have transport to get back home.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
But I guess you're lucky then. Unless you enjoy working.
All right, I hope it.
Babe! Oh, Ekama. No, he's not here yet. I've been at home for 3 hours now, and he's still not picking his calls. I don't know what to do. Should I go to the police and report him missing? I don't know what to do. I'm dying of worry here. Oh, babes, he's home now. Enjoy your time with your folks. Victor.
Peggy, please.
Babe, I'm sorry. I swear. I shouldn't have done what I did. Please, please forgive me.
As you can see, I've had a very long day. And I am tired and I'm exhausted. And if you don't mind, all I need right now is a good sleep. If that will not be possible, I'd rather go back to my house.
No, please. I'm off.
Okay.
So, are we still going out later today?
I don't think that's possible. I'm going out with some friends.
Okay. Some other time?
I don't know. When I have time, I have time.
Okay, bye. Later, babe.
Madam, where you there? What happened?
The job I applied for some time ago, I just received the rejection email.
Job? You apply for job, I don't know. But this is what we dey do now, waiting. Okay, now so that's your plan. Apply for another job, I don't know. So now only me go come dey pay transport from where we dey stay. They come here. This is not work, abi. Hey, drop this thing. Let's go and work. Is there stand up?
You know, this reminds me of old times. Back in school, when we were dating, when we used to try out different food joints. Especially that one that you
I
liked.
know. Those were really, really good times.
Moments that we could relive again. Especially now that fate has brought us back together. You don't believe in fate?
Fate? Oh, come on, Victor. What exactly are you driving
I'm
at?
trying to tell you that I miss you. I miss you. I regret our breakup. I wish it never happened. I want us to get back together again. Hey, Ivy. Look, I know you have reservations. I know. But all I am asking is for you to have faith. Have faith in us. Let's do it again.
Victor, it's not as if I don't want to. It's just that I don't want any baggage.
Trust me, I don't have any. I don't. I've disposed of all of my baggages. All of them. I want a fresh start. I want a new start. With you. I see a future with you. I see potential with the both of us.
did you get in?
Hey, Kamashi just left on a date.
Oh, okay. How was your day? Any luck with the business idea? Babe, what's wrong? What's wrong? Victor, please talk to me. What's going on?
It's not working.
It?
Us. Us, Peggy. You and me. It's not working.
What? What's happening? What did I do wrong?
Peggy, you did nothing wrong. Okay, it's just not working, and I've tried. Okay, and I keep trying, but it's not working.
What? What's happening? What did I do wrong?
You didn't do anything wrong. It's not working.
Please. Please, I'm sure we can work something out.
That's the thing, Peggy. We can't. Because that is what we've been doing. We've been trying to work things out. And look at where that got us. I'm not willing to do this anymore. It's best that I move on. And I suggest that you move on too.
Babe.
Excuse me.
Babe.
Whatever things you have that is left in my house, I'll return them.
Victor, please! Victor, please wait! One more chance, please, I swear!
Peggy, you're beginning to sound like a badly scratched CD, and I am tired of listening to the same track.
So you're just going to give up on this? On us?
Peggy, I made myself clear in there. Or in how many languages do I have to say it for you to understand?
You can't just give up on this. Remember all the good memories we shared? All the promises we made? Together forever.
Peggy.
Remember?
Peggy.
Deep down inside, I know you still have feelings for me. Okay. If you don't love me, then look me in the eye and say it. I know it can't be true.
Peggy, I don't love you anymore. So stop with the hypocrisy and move on. Close enough.
Victor, wait!
Whatever the grudge it is that you have, I am sure it is no fault of mine.
Sir?
If looks are anything to go by, then I should be drafting my obituary right about now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. It has nothing to do with you. I just have some
personal issues. Everybody has them. That's what makes us human. But then again, you are on the job. And an integral part of your job is customer service. And the first rule of customer service is that you don't wear your emotions on your face.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. It won't happen again.
Waitress? What's that your name again?
Peggy, sir.
Peggy. Right. So, Peggy, whatever the problem is, I want you to know that it will certainly sort itself out. So, chin up, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Babe. See, seriously, you've got to snap out of this thing because it's not helping you at all. Just imagine what happened with that man outside there just now. Imagine he was a cantankerous person and he reported you to the manager. What would you have done?
You don't understand.
I don't understand. Like you want to kill yourself for man. Man! Man will fool everywhere. Like, babe, I bought for you.
You've never been in a relationship for more than a month at a time. What do you know?
Enough to know that nobody is worth killing yourself over.
Oh, so I'm just supposed to get up and get over it? No, tell me now. Tell me, relationship counselor. Tell me, how exactly am I supposed to get over someone that I've been with for over 5 years?
Simple. We're getting under another one. See, babe, my problem with you is that you've hinged your life to this guy.
He's my life.
He was, babe. See, you should be happy that God actually removed this guy from your life. Yes. Wait, how were you comfortable being with someone that was okay, eating off the little you were making? See, when will you accept that this guy is a parasite?
In your life, I don't want to hear such filth from your mouth again.
Peggy, he has walked. The earlier you accept the fact that this guy is never coming back to you, the better for you. So that you can pick up your life and move on like he has.
Peggy, customer.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing?
Can't I laugh again? What is your problem?
What?
What is it?
I was just asking why you were laughing now.
Must you know everything?
Yes, I want to know everything.
I'm not going to tell you everything. Take this.
No.
Why?
No.
Oh, because I refuse to tell you why I'm laughing.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I won't tell you. Take. Open your mouth. See how wide your mouth is. Take. You like food. Chop,
yes.
chop, see your mouth. Take.
I agree.
Take. Do you not want to eat my finger?
I want to eat you.
What?
Okay. Careful. Cheers to what?
To us.
To us.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take.
It won't work.
Excuse me?
Newspaper and TV ads are not really the in thing right now.
Okay, but these very TV ads are going to have celebrities in them.
Still won't work. It's the internet age. Nobody wants to sit through adverts listening to people go on and on and on. The second it comes up, they're flicking the remote.
Even with a celebrity in it?
Even the president won't get their attention.
So, what I pray you will work?
Social media.
Is this a joke?
Nope, it's not a joke. Everyone has a smartphone. 18 out of 24 hours, their eyes are glued to their phones. Most of the time is spent on social media, like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat.
So what you're saying is that I should risk deal worth millions of naira on social media advertising? Is that what you're saying?
If the people that you're pitching to are in tune with the times, then they'll appreciate it and be happy to put their money into it. I mean, traditional media is fast becoming obsolete. It's time to embrace the new age media.
So, you're saying I should do social media advertising? All right, I'll go with your idea, but if this crashes, I am coming for your head.
And I'll be here, waiting with the knife. Enjoy your food, son. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I heard noises in the apartment. Are you two fighting?
No, sir. I accidentally dropped something. So sorry about that, sir.
You dropped something.
Yes.
I hope you are not destroying my house. Because if you dare destroy my house, that would bring a very big problem between me and you.
No, not at all, sir. Not at all.
All right. Anyway, I am here to remind you about the rent you ladies are owing. Because you can't be living in my house without paying me.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I had some financial issues, but I'll sort it out soon, sir.
Soon? The people I buy the block and cement from, if they could have agreed with me to pay soon, would I be standing here listening to your excuses? Anyway, 3 days. 3 days. Not even a day longer. If you did not pay me my money, you are leaving this house.
No. Yes. Congratulations.
Sir?
It worked. They loved it.
Oh my God, that's great. Thank God.
I know. And not only that, they have agreed to put in more money than we quoted for.
That is amazing.
I know, right?
This calls for a celebration with the Halo special.
Right? And I hope you'll be joining me for the celebration, yeah?
Um, no, I don't think so.
And why not? I mean, it is because of you the celebration is happening in the first place. I can't celebrate without... Or you don't want to celebrate with me?
No, it's not that. It's just, well, I don't think management will take kindly to that.
Management? Oh, well, to hell with the management. I am a bona fide customer here. And as a matter of fact, who is the management here? I'd like to have a word with the management. Who is in charge? Oh.
Hi. Hello, sir. I hope there's no problem. Did our staff offend you?
Actually, there's a problem. I asked this lady here to join me in a celebration lunch and she declined. Apparently, you guys here have a rule against eating with waitress.
It's not what you think, sir. The thing is, for a restaurant of our caliber, we do not want our waitresses fraternizing with the customers.
Oh, okay. Oh, but then you have to make an exception for me because this lady here just made my business millions of naira. And I'm celebrating with her. And if you don't like it, I think I can take my money elsewhere. Huh?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay.
I wouldn't want any of that.
No, that's what I thought. So, Peggy, please do sit and let another waitress handle the order. Or would you like to take the order yourself?
I'll send someone to you right away.
Okay, that's perfect. Sit. Come on. This was it.
It's our special.
Seems like you're the center of attraction here.
I'm not surprised. This has never happened before.
Oh, well, your manager made it pretty much clear. Or maybe they are wondering what will happen if your boyfriend walks in here and sees you having lunch with another man.
That's not going to happen.
It didn't work out.
He said he was done.
Don't worry. A day is coming, you're going to meet someone who will never be done with you.
That's what they say. But I should be worried about your wife strolling in here and finding her husband having lunch with a waitress. She would threaten to shut this place down.
I'm not married.
Never was?
Actually, I've been down that road twice. First time, divorced. Second time, widowed.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Oh, no. It's not something to be sorry about. If for anything, I have no regrets and I am grateful. I have a good, cordial relationship with my first wife and our kids are happy. I am happy.
Good. Do you ever think about trying again? You know what they say? Third time's a charm.
Oh, well, I don't believe in that. And besides, two heartbreaks are enough for me. So, no, thank you. Again? No, nah.
happened?
Calm down, wait. How did you do it?
Do what?
How did you land yourself that good-looking guy? Like, what did you do?
Are you okay? Who told you we're dating?
Like, how else? Like, why else would he come here almost every day requesting that you sit with him? What is between the two of you?
You also. So now this question make you carry me come inside here.
Calm down. I know saying you dey cool down, man. We understand those kind of things, but my own is very simple. Just help me ask him, if he has any, good-looking friends that don't mind having a side chick. You get it?
Customer.
You know, we only like better thing, no. I work for this manager, so every time begging, customer.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Halo a la carte.
Are you going to give us the menu or you're just going to stand there moping at us?
Sorry.
When you're done moping at my man, you can at least get yourself useful by getting me rice and chicken. Baby, what would you like to have?
I'll just have the same thing you're having.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Anything to drink?
A Fanta for me and a stout for him.
He doesn't like stout.
Meaning?
Look, I'll just have whatever beer you have. Just a bottle of beer will be fine.
Okay, will that be all?
What else? Or do you want to have him too?
Hey, babe, calm down, okay?
What was that? Why was she confused?
Hey, focus on me, alright? Focus on me.
Hey, but I can't stand this kind of service. I mean...
Can you stand me?
Oh, can you stop? We're in public.
I know we're in public.
Should you be in public? What are you doing? Why?
I'll be right back with the opener. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Shall I open?
So yeah, shall we? Hey, focus on me. Hey. Hey. Look at me.
Okay.
Yes. Let me help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, the food is here.
Be back with yours.
Hey! What is this?
Sorry?
Are you deaf? I said, what is this?
It's the fried rice and chicken that you ordered.
So why is the chicken big? Why is it this big?
That's how it's served here.
So you couldn't even cut it into pieces for me to eat it easily?
Hey, babe, it's fine.
Oh,
I can
please.
dice it.
You couldn't even have the courtesy to tell me how it's served.
If you had asked how it was going to be served, I would have told you.
You must be very stupid for saying that. Is it not your job to tell me how it's served in the first place?
Babe, calm down now.
Please, don't tell me to calm down. Just look at her. She doesn't even know how to do her job. Miserable loser.
Ivy, calm the heck down, okay?
Victor, are you telling me to...
This is a public place. Calm down.
Victor, did you just say I should calm down?
Why would you do that?
What is this? What
Ivy, this is a public place.
Public what?
And why would you do that?
What is this? I'm so sorry, madam. No. I'm sorry.
Ivy,
I'm sorry.
hey.
What did you do? Are you mad?
Ivy.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. You dry cleaning in that.
No,
wait.
You know,
I am so
babe.
sorry, my
Let's just go.
apologies,
Let's just go.
No, we are not leaving. We are not leaving. I am so sorry, madam. I am sorry.
For goodness sake, what is wrong with you? What was that? You did not only just cause a scene there, you also put the reputation of this restaurant at risk.
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry? You think something as simple as sorry can fix what you did? Okay, play out this scenario for me. Say images or videos of that incident finds its way to the internet. Do you think sorry can fix that?
Ma, I was trying my best to be calm and professional in the situation, but she just kept insulting and provoking me.
In the end, she is the customer. She can decide to birth you with a hot bowl of soup, and she will still come out right from that situation. Her money pays the bills around here, for goodness sake. Plus, this is a reputable restaurant. We cannot have people behaving that way. That is why we have decided to let you go. To serve as a warning to any other person who would try something that's silly.
Ma, let go? For how long?
Oh, permanently.
But ma, it wasn't all my fault, ma. She was insulting me and provoking me, ma.
Decisions are decisions, and that's it. It always had to be you going against regulations. First, you are sitting and having lunch with clients, fraternizing with customers. And now this, what is wrong with you?
But ma, I didn't go out of my way to behave like that. Ma, she was insulting and provoking me. Ma, please, I'm begging you. Please don't do this, ma. Ma, please, I'll stop sitting with Mr. Demola. Please,
right.
Ma, please. Please, ma, please, I'm begging you, please.
Anyways, I'm going in there to prepare your pay severance. If there is anything you'd love to pack up, now is a good time to do it.
Ma, please, ma, don't do this, ma, please. Ma, please, I'm begging you, please, I won't do it again, ma, please. Ma, please, I'm begging you, please.
You see what I'm talking about? When I say you should forget about this guy and move on with your life, you did not answer me. Now you've lost your job because of that stupid idiot.
Victor didn't do anything. It was his girlfriend.
You're still defending him.
I'm only stating facts.
And who brought her here in the first place? And you know, the funny thing is that this stupid idiot did not even say anything. He just sat down there and he was watching that his girlfriend barking like a rabid dog. What are you going to do now? You've lost your job and there's no new one inside. How would you cope? How are you going to be paying bills?
Kama, I don't know and I don't want to think about you right now. I'm just going to go home. I'll see you when you get back.
Come on,
I'll see you at home, Jerry.
I will not be here.
Now I have to come and start looking for how to send this to the dry cleaners.
If I had known we were going to that same restaurant, I would have declined.
Why? Oh, because your stupid ex-girlfriend was there? Eh?
Ivy, stop.
No, I will not stop. Didn't you see what she did to me there? You didn't.
Ivy, she's my past. A past that I would rather forget. I've told you this so many times. Babe, just calm down. Look, Peggy is inconsequential in the grand scheme of things. All right? She's my past. But you're my present. You're my future. And I love you.
Oh, please, Victor, stop.
Babe, come on.
Can you stop? You always have way with words. Just leave me.
I'm not just having my way with words. Everything that I am saying, as far as you're concerned, is coming from the bottom of my heart.
Please stop. Victor, stop.
Okay,
Stop.
let me help you feel better, okay? Give me your legs.
I'm okay. Just leave me.
Just give me your legs. Come on. Oh, easy. Do you feel better now?
Victor.
Do you like that?
love it actually.
Should I stop?
No, don't stop.
Good. Should I walk my way up here?
Oh, it's okay, Victor. I actually feel like sleeping off. Oh, Victor, I love it.
You feel like sleeping off?
Please, Victor. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Babe.
I love that.
I know you do. Let me do a little more.
Victor.
Babe, there's I need to ask you for a financial favor.
What? Victor. But I just gave you some money last week.
Babe, I know. Look, I met with this crypto expert and he was telling me about this coin that's really doing well in the market right now. And, you know, I checked the return on investment and it is massive, it's big.
Victor.
Yes.
Why not make money from the business you already invested in before trying to venture into another one?
Exactly.
I mean, it will make more sense now.
I thought about that, okay? And I wish I could. But the guy called me and he was telling me that it is time sensitive. You know these crypto markets now. Today the market is up, tomorrow it's down. And you know the best time to invest is now. Babe, I don't want to miss out on this opportunity.
I don't know. I don't have any money to give you. I don't know.
I know you have the money now.
I don't have it. Victor, just leave me. Victor, stop now. I don't have it.
You have it.
I don't have it. Oh, Victor, stop. Okay, wait. So, like, how much are you looking at?
Looking at about 800,000 naira.
What? Victor!
Babe, the return on investment is massive. It is big.
I don't have it all.
Look, baby, it is
I
big.
don't have it.
The money is big enough for me to give you that baby girl lifestyle that I've always wanted to give you. Come on.
I don't have any money to give you.
Baby, you know you have this
I
money.
don't have it, Victor. Come on, stop now. I don't like what you're doing. Victor, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it.
Are you gonna give me the money? Yes.
Hi.
Hi. How did you find me?
Oh, well, I planted a GPS tracker on you.
What?
Come on. Your colleague at the office, she described the place to me.
Oh, Ekama.
Yes. Interesting lady, right? All right, let's go.
But...
No, come on. It's not like there's a manager here that you need a permission from, or is there?
Okay, let me just change into something.
No, you are okay like this. Sure, you're okay.
Okay. Well, that's how after I tried so hard to keep my cool, I finally lost it. And I poured a drink on her. I mean, and then management decides to give me the axe for something that was no fault of mine. So, I'm in the labor market now.
But that is nonsense. They couldn't even give you suspension or something. An outright sack for something that is not even entirely your fault?
You know, I think that incident was just an opportunity for her to get rid of me. I mean, she wasn't exactly pleased that you and I were spending time together.
Oh, she can go to hell and burn for all I care, if that is what is biting her. I mean, you are too good for that place. Look at the meal. This is, as a matter of fact, one of the most delicious meals I have ever tasted. Come on.
Thanks. I try.
No, I think you should consider putting your talent to good use. Say, you should consider being a chef at your own restaurant.
I swear it's like you're living inside my head.
Rent-free, right?
Yes, seriously. I've always wanted to run my own restaurant. But you know how this country is. Getting capital is going to be one huge task. I could barely support myself. I mean, I even lost my boyfriend because I could barely support him too. A restaurant at that level is going to be a huge, huge investment. And even if you sell me now, I'm still not going to have enough money.
O ye of little faith.
With the cards life has dealt me, I'm surprised I even have any faith left.
Gosh, I'm so tired. Oh. What?
What do you mean by what is?
Didn't you hear when I said I'm tired?
Well, maybe some good loving will just make all of the tiredness
Oh,
go.
stop it, Victor!
What is your problem? Huh?
Is this some kind of Najo world or what? Or do I look like a zebra to you?
What do you even mean?
Victor, so because you're in the mood to make love, I should open my legs wide for you, right? No. Maybe we should just invite Morgan Freeman to come and comment on it while we're at it.
What is wrong with you this night? Huh? What is wrong with you? When did it become a crime to want to make love to my girl? When? Okay, fine. We can incorporate a little, intimacy and maybe some massage.
Oh, can you stop? Which kind of massage? What is wrong with you?
So you want to leave me with blue balls?
Oh, please, whatever you call it, it's your business. Just leave me.
It's fine. To hell with you and your shakara. You will enjoy it, I will enjoy it, but still you just be acting crazy.
Welcome.
Hi.
How are you?
Could be better, but good all the same. You said you had something important to show me.
Oh, yeah. No, you can sit down. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah?
What's this?
Why don't you open it and find out?
Okay. It's a lie.
I paid for the property a week ago, but the papers arrived yesterday. So now you can run your very own restaurant and at a choice place.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry.
I have a cold bottle of wine in the fridge. I should get it so that we can celebrate this.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah? Okay, so let me just grab the bottle of wine, yeah?
Okay.
Where have you been?
Out.
Out where?
How the hell is that your business?
How the hell it is my business? Ivy, you left this house 3 years ago. And you couldn't even tell me where you were.
I don't understand. Tell you where I was, like you're my father or what? I don't get it.
I'm your freaking boyfriend, for crying out loud.
Oh. Really? Then act as one. And stop being a bloody tracking device. Please, I'm tired.
Are you freaking kidding me? You've been away for 3 days, no phone call, no text messages, nothing. You couldn't even tell me that you were okay, and you're sitting down there telling me that it is none of my business. Are you out of your mind?
Oh, please, Victor, please. You can stand there and worry about me. That's your headache, not mine. But please, don't bring me into all this emotional wahala. After all, you don't even own me. What is it?
I can't imagine you're telling me all of this nonsense.
I don't even know why I'm here. Please, I'm so tired. I don't have time for all this nonsense.
Ivy, I'm not done talking.
I am done talking, so you can be there and continue talking to yourself.
Ivy! Peggy will not do this. Peggy will not talk to me like this.
Seriously, I'm being serious.
Wait, for real?
Yes.
Okay.
But honestly, I'm still finding this very hard to believe. Like, it feels like a dream.
Okay, so maybe I should pour some wine on you so that you can wake up.
No. Okay, that wouldn't be a bad idea.
Right?
But thank you so much. Thank you so much. I promise you, you won't regret this. I'll do everything in my power to make you proud of me.
I believe you would. Peggy, you are a good person. And I believe in your dreams.
Thank you. It's getting late. I should start heading out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'll call you tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
After you. Let me get it up for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Ivy?
You?
Ivy, you didn't call me to inform me that you're coming over.
You bitch.
What are you doing here?
Ivy, what is the meaning of that?
Demola, please. Please, stay out of this. What is she doing here?
That you're my wife's sister doesn't mean that I am answerable to you.
She's your sister-in-law?
Oh yes, she's my late wife's sister.
You've been sleeping with my sister's husband?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Why would you say such a thing?
There's clearly something wrong with your brain. You need to go and get it checked out.
Really? Don't worry. By the time I am done with you, we will know who is who.
Stop it! What are you doing?
Demola, leave me! Leave me alone! Demola, Demola, leave me!
Now!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, come back! Oh, Demola!
What is your problem now? What exactly is your problem?
I can't even believe you! Of all people, why her? Why?
Do I look like I need your permission to be friends with anyone?
Right. Demola. Jumping into bed with another woman. Barely 1 year. Just 1 year my sister passed. Is that how you want to pay her back?
Ivy, if I were you at this point, I will watch my mouth. What are you even doing here? What exactly do you want?
Don't even bother. What I just witnessed right now has left a sour taste in my mouth. Leave me.
Good afternoon.
May I come in?
Yeah, sure.
So, it's quite cozy.
Yeah. It's a far cry from the Ikoyi Lekki VI standard, but at least I have a roof over my head. Sit.
Indeed, you do have a roof over your head, and this is beautiful. Oh yes. I actually came to talk to you about what happened the other night.
Oh, that. In my wildest dreams, I never imagined that you two would know each other.
Ivy. Ivy is my late wife's sister. She came to live with us after their mother had died. But she has always been hot-headed and very difficult to reason with. Time and time again, she will get into situation and my wife will go to bail her out until that poor woman was tired of playing savior. She got into university and their relationship was so strained that she was tired of trying. And there was the cancer, the breast cancer to deal with. Maybe that was the reason I was drawn to you. I know deep down you are genuinely a good person. And I have decided to help you achieve your dream of owning and running your own restaurant. Because I believe in you and in your dreams.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Only God will bless you in the ways that I pray for you to be blessed. Thank you.
in blessing others, we ourselves are blessed.
Yes.
All right. I think you should get ready so that we can go.
Where to?
To your restaurant, of course. We are supposed to be meeting the person handling the construction today, so we cannot be late.
Okay, let me just go change. Just give me a minute, please.
All right.
Okay?
I will be waiting in the car.
Okay.
You're welcome. So this is the outlook of the place. I hope you like it and it's something you can manage.
Am I dreaming?
No, it's as real can get.
Oh my God.
Come on, let's go inside and meet him.
Hey, you here? Good
Kufre.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm all right. I
Yeah.
hope we're not late.
No, actually, you guys even came 30 minutes earlier than expected.
Great. So this is Peggy. She is the owner of this place. And Peggy, this is Kufre, the construction supervisor.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kufa.
Yeah, this is the young CEO, right?
Please. I think I'm more comfortable with hustler. I'm still not used to the CEO title.
Oh, don't worry, you'll get used to it. You will.
Kufre here is fantastic with anything construction and renovation. And he has the capacity, that's what I'm saying, to turn this place into something out of a magazine concept.
Come on, Demola, you're just whining me.
But
Stop
it's
watching
true.
me.
It's true.
Listen, I can't do more than myself, okay? But I have not gotten to that whole legend status, you understand? So I'm just playing cool.
Okay.
Trying to play humble.
Oh, of course I am.
Why don't you show us what you're working on and we'll be the judge of that?
I agree.
Don't say I didn't warn you guys.
Let's see it first.
Okay.
Thank you. What now?
You're doing it.
Ivy!
Hey.
Ivy! You useless old man! You are here smooshing my girlfriend in public? Huh? Are you mad?
What the hell is wrong with you? What is it?
What the hell is wrong with me? I see you smooshing a man in public and you're asking me what is wrong with me?
And how is that your business?
Are you... What?
Victor, what have you done?
What do you mean, what have I done?
Sorry, sir. Are you okay? Are you alright?
How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? Oh, you're asking me why I lay my filthy
Victor.
hands on you? Now I will lay my...
Hey! Victor! Somebody help! Help! Victor, stop, please! Help! Help!
I've packed up the rest of the sauce and put in small containers and put in the freezer. So you can just warm it up as needed.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
Says the man who gave me a new lease on life.
And I know I won't regret ever doing that, just as I won't ever doing this one. Peggy, if anyone had walked up to me and told me 7 months ago that I would be willing to give relationship another chance, I would probably laugh and ignore the person, but you, meeting you, time spent with you this past 7 months, knowing you changed everything.
Demola.
Please, let me just get it out. And I want you to know that you are not obligated to feel the same way. You, knowing you, Peggy, you're the kindest, most thoughtful person I have ever met. And I am so drawn to you. The feeling is indescribable. And again, please, I do not want you to feel compelled to feel the same way or obligated. You're not. You're not. Everything I did, I
Who says I feel obligated or compelled?
Meaning?
Yes, the feeling is mutual on this end.
Hey.
You should be grateful that he agreed not to press charges against you. Yes.
Press charges against me. I caught my girlfriend cheating and you're telling me about gratitude?
Oh, you want to go back to the police cell? No, do you want to go back there?
Ivy, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ashamed of myself. Ashamed of myself. Say, what's happen? Waiting I do where another person never do. No, answer me. Waiting I do where another person never do. Yes, I follow man, yes. Waiting happen.
No, waiting happen. Make I even ask you. Where you think I get the money where they take fund everything in this house? Eh? Where? No, wait. Where do you think I even get the money that I fund your useless business ideas that never see the light of the day? Where do you think I get the money from? Oh, wait. Do you think it's from that useless marketing job? Oh God, this boy, you're so dumb. You're so stupid.
Ivy, I can't believe you're talking to me like this.
Eh?
Me, Victor.
It's not my problem. Now man, I follow. I know kill person. I beg, carry your bag.
Ivy,
Victor.
Ivy, it hasn't gotten
Victor,
to this
carry.
now, eh?
Now man, I follow. I know kill person. Carry your bag.
Ivy, I beg now. We will resolve this matter.
Resolve fire. I beg, go.
Ivy.
If it work out between you and your useless girlfriend.
I just came back from the police station.
Oh, you think I care? I don't care. My friend, leave my house. Enough is enough.
Ivy,
leave my house.
Where do you want me to go now?
Do I care? Anywhere. Go and meet your useless, miserable girlfriend.
Ivy, please now, Ivy.
Wait, yourself.
Ivy, I love you.
May love kill you, the idiot.
Victor.
All good?
All good.
All right, let's go. Or else we'll be going late for our lunch reservation.
And we don't want that now, do we?
Not in a million years. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.